Hey there foodies, get ready to elevate your Baba Ghanoush game with a gourmet twist. Today, I'm combining Middle Eastern flavors with a touch of Italian flair for a mind-blowing Baba Ghanoush featuring beef brisket. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. First up, we're swapping out eggplant for zucchini. Roast your zucchini over an open flame until the skin is charred and the flesh is tender. This should take about 25 minutes. Once done, peel off the skin and drain the zucchini, but don't toss that liquid, it's full of flavor. The zucchini adds an extra crunch that's just irresistible. Next, we're making a creamy gorgonzola sauce. In a pot, combine yogurt, gorgonzola cheese, and an egg. Heat it gently, but be careful not to let it boil. You want a smooth, velvety sauce that's packed with flavor. Now for the topping, toast some pine nuts in butter until they're golden and fragrant. Add a pinch of chili flakes and a splash of lemon juice. This buttery pine nut topping is a game changer, trust me. Time to assemble. Start with a layer of your charred zucchini mash. Follow it with the warm, creamy gorgonzola sauce. Then lay down some crispy beef brisket slices on top. Finally, sprinkle your buttery pine nuts over everything. The order is crucial for getting the perfect bite every time. Quick pro tip, don't overmix your zucchini mash. You want to gently fold it to keep that perfect texture. Save this video so you don't miss any steps. If this recipe has your mouth watering, smash that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more luxury Middle Eastern recipes. Comment fusion below if you want more gourmet twists. I can't wait to see what you think. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.